Hello, everybody. So this is the compound interest calculator. All right. So let's do this. All right. So I just want to get this out there. Compound interest is crazy, crazy. So let's do this. It's the calculator site. I'll leave the link down below. Interest rate. Okay. So you put initial balance, say 2%. You put monthly. You put months. Okay. So that'll compound monthly. Now you put for deposit. Regular monthly deposits, just put 0, so you're not adding any more money. You could add more money, let's just say, but let's keep it simple. Kiss, keep it simple, stupid. Got to remind myself too. So, anyways, 1,002% interest rate, 2%, 600 calculation period. Okay, so what that is for a mentality is it's 600 days. Okay, so instead of months, you can't do days, you can only do months. But if you did years, it would probably say, oh, that's too many years, like you don't live that long, right? Because it's for people to evaluate their retirement plans. So it's not for people who are going to live 600 years, because nobody lives 600 years, right? But they don't, it's almost the way I look at it, maybe they just don't even want people to know this stuff, right? So they don't even put it out there, right? They want to keep people enslaved. So who knows? Not trying to be negative, but that's life. So let's calculate. Boom. That's the answer. 144.578 million. Is that not good? I don't know about you, but I'd be happy with that money in my bank account. I think my friends would be too. I think they would be looking at me, what you doing with your money, boy? So all right, 300, okay? So that's just a taste. So in 300 days, $380,000. Woo. $379,234 earned. So if you get 2% every day you trade, you're going to get massively wealthy. Okay, so 300. So calculation period, let's say 400. $2.75 million. I don't know about you, but that sounds pretty good. 400 days of trading, 2%. I don't know about you, but that sounds pretty good to me. 2.75 million, huh? I likey. Now let's put 5%, okay? 5%, all right? 299 million. Dang, you're almost a billionaire at that level. Dang. So that's the way you got to do. 5% might be hard to do every day, You might have some losses, but 2%, 2.75 million. Now you want to put in 1,000 days, right? Because time. $398 million. Let's see how many days we got to do at 2% before we're a billionaire. Hey, I can be a billionaire. Who says I can't? I want to be a billionaire. Who knows? Maybe I'll become a billionaire. 1,500? What? That didn't calculate right, did it? Let's try 22,000. It's not split 2000. It's 2009, but that's okay. What? It's like the number, they just don't want to make it any higher. That don't make no sense. Whew. I think the calculator at blue just doesn't want to go any higher, or the months, too many months. So let's just go back to say 1,000 at 4%. $107,000,000. 1,500. Yeah, it just doesn't want to go higher. This calculator, once it gets too big, it doesn't want to go, I think. Let's do 500 at 8%. So there you get to the billions, right? But it doesn't want to do it on the other ones. So if you get 8% on just your starting with $1,000, man, shabam. That's $500 million in 500 trading days if you get 7%, okay? So now let's do the calculations here. So $1,000 times 1.07. So that would be your first day of trading. Your next day of trading is that. Next day trading after that is that. Next day trading is that. But it sounds small, but it's the longevity factor. So once you get to the longevity factor and you figure it out, I mean, that's what I got to do. That's what you got to do if you want to get that money, get paid, make a legacy for yourself, create millions, and like I think for myself, if I had millions of dollars, I would want to put some money into certain charities. Maybe I'd want to do some good things in the world, as well as enjoy my life. So, anyways, that's a wrap. Compound interest, giving you some info. Keep compounding info. Listen to my lingo. Shaka, peace. I'm out.